Right now, AI is changing everything, the way we study, the way we work, and even the way we share ideas online. The crazy part, most people still think it's just about chatbots, but I discovered it's much more than that. And today, I want to show you how I'm using AI as a beginner in affiliate marketing while still working full-time as a chemical engineer. My name is Cesar. By day, I work in the mining industry as a chemical engineer. By night, I experiment with AI tools in affiliate marketing. Why? Because I believe AI is going to change the way we do business, the way we communicate, and even the way we build side projects. Affiliate marketing is often misunderstood. At its core, it's just about sharing helpful resources with people who need them. You connect someone to a product or service that solves a problem, and you get credit for making that connection. It's like recommending a good tool to a friend, but done online. Here is where things get exciting. In the past, creating videos, writing scripts, and designing graphics took hours, or even required hiring a whole team. Now, AI tools make it possible for one person to do all of that in minutes. ChatGPT helps me brainstorm and write faster. Canva AI helps me design without needing graphic skills. Video 3 helps me creating cinematic videos I could never make before. This isn't just about shortcuts. It's about unleashing creativity we didn't have access before. As an engineer, I'm used to solving problems step by step. I apply the same logic to my side hustle with AI. Learn the tools. I pick one AI tool and master it. Second, experiment with content. I test small projects like YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or tutorials. And number 3, share and document. Instead of chasing perfection, I just share what I learned. The goal isn't overnight results. It's about building the skills that will matter in the future. One of the biggest lessons, consistency beats intensity. In engineering, you don't get solutions from one experiment. You get them from running dozens of tests and refining. Affiliate marketing with AI works the same way. Try, fail, improve, repeat, and every time, AI helps me move faster. If you are watching this, I want you to think about this. AI is not going away. In a few years, people will either say, I wish I had started learning it earlier, or I'm glad I did. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and the subscribe button for more content about AI and my side hustle journey, and comment below what AI tool you're curious about. I love to share what I learn as I go. See you in the next video. Bye.